Today we're going to take on a little task of rebuilding a ramp on the monster truck course, which is all the way down there. I think we're going to start with that one because that one should be the easiest one to work with, and I need to get used to the controls of this brand new loader. We're also going to be using this dirt that's right here because it's nice and loose and it's in perfect condition to go straight on the course. I like to use a really soft dirt that's easily packable. Let's get to work.